Falling from a ladder. Little can be more frightening as you plummet to the ground, but it happens more than you can imagine. But as they say, it's not the fall that kills you, it's the sudden stop. Even a fall from a short ladder can be disastrous. People endure more than 500,000 falls, 300 deaths, and an average of 165,000 trips to the emergency room every year. Here's the clincher. The vast majority of these cases are a direct result of misuse of the ladder. These incidents are usually caused by choosing the wrong ladder for the job, using an unsafe ladder, overreaching, standing on or too close to the top rungs, and common, ignoring our safety subconscious that reminds us about ladder safety. It pays to take the time to read the instructions and the safety rules labeled on the ladder. There is a ladder for every application. Some of the more familiar examples include step ladders, extension ladders, adjustable ladders, platform ladders, and articulating ladders. Some examples of ladders that you may not be so familiar with might include line or cable ladders, telescoping ladders, sectional ladders, tripod and trestle ladders, and ladders used for poles. Let's take some time to discuss the safety considerations for the most common ladders. Ladders are generally manufactured using three major structural materials such as wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. In addition, there are three main classifications of ladders. Type 1, industrial ladders carry a heavy-duty rating of 250 pounds. Type 2 are medium-duty ladders with a rating of 225 pounds. And Type 3 are light-duty household use ladders with a rating of 200 pounds, generally not suitable for work settings. However, there are some exceptions that address ladders for extra heavy working capacities, such as Type 1A with a rating of 300 pounds and Type 1AA with a rating of 375 pounds. Some manufacturers also make ladders with a rating of 500 pounds. By the way, the classifications all include the weight of the employee and their tools and materials. Wood ladders should be constructed of high-density wood that is free of sharp edges and splinters. When properly taken care of, wood ladders are very serviceable. But where do you see these ladders typically stored? That's right, outdoors, exposed to the elements. Since wood ladders are affected by exposure to heat combined with dampness, they require a dry, well-ventilated storage area. With this in mind, we need to be extra careful when using a wood ladder. Inspect closely to ensure that the ladder has no defects, irregularities, or weakness. The steps on wooden step ladders should be reinforced with metal rods and or angle braces securely attached to the steps and side rail. The bottom step of all step ladders should have metal angle braces as well. The uniform step spacing must not exceed 12 inches. Should you come across a wood ladder that has been painted, do not use it, as paint hides damaged wood. Wood ladders to be used outdoors should have a protective coating such as a shellac or varnish, or 2 coats of linseed oil. Wood ladders should be maintained in good condition by keeping all joints tight. Lubricate all wheels, locks, and pulleys. Replace worn rope, and routinely clean components. Any ladders that are found to be defective must be destroyed or taken out of service. Of course, wood is a poor conductor of electricity, therefore is generally safe to use when working with electricity. Portable fiberglass and metal ladders must be free of sharp edges and be structurally sound. The ladders must have rungs that are knurled, dimpled, or treated to improve slip resistance. The uniform step spacing on these ladders is also 12 inches.